Hello, in this video we show you the location of the windscreen washer tank on the Opel Corsa D. We can see that the windscreen washer tank is located right there, but that's only the bottleneck of the windscreen washer tank. The washer tank is underneath the battery. To get access to the windscreen washer pump and the windscreen washer tank, first we need to remove the front left wheel. After we remove the wheel, next we need to remove the wheel arch liner just on the front of the whole of it. Doesn't matter, but once we remove the wheel arch liner on the front, we'll get access to the windscreen washer pump and windscreen washer tank. Now we're going to move the wheel arch liner to the rear, and we can see there is the windscreen washer pump and windscreen washer tank. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.